Oh, Bahubali. This is actually a toilet hanger inspired.
Traffic jam today at Ghatkopar, isn't it?
No, it's not traffic jam. This is a very famous area, you know. At least 7-8 accidents just happen like that just for fun.
Today Ranjit has come on cycle. Ranjit, how many kilometers?
Till now, six and a half.
Ranjit is trying to put a new handlebar on his cycle.
What do you think about this?
I think this is cool, man. What do you guys think? I think this is something cool.
But I reckon this handle
Okay.
for a cycle.
Today, Mr. Joe is going to explain you guys different types of Royal Enfield handles and what are they used for. Hello, Professor Joe.
This is the MX bar or RD extended bar. So just because you see the support rod in between, that is why it is a motocross handle. Tomorrow if you decide you don't have money, just chop it. And then it becomes an RD extended. Harley Street Bob inspired drag bar. Extra 5 kgs onto your bike, which will give you extra boost. People say that if you add more load on the bike becomes more smoother. So that is why whatever you see Royal Enfield is too heavy. You're tired of somebody, you want to rip them apart, just undo the handle, ram it on their head. The arrow, this is made for those pilots who fly high. So when they see you, this is an arrow which tells them go straight. Or if you take a right, this handle also tells them take a left or take a right. Yeah, still people say it is Billy Lane inspired. If you know who Billy Lane is. If you're riding, somebody is asking you where to go, tell them go straight, or show them the handlebar. See where the handlebar is pointing. This is an arrow. You want to put direction somewhere, just put it, have your name here, piston hearted, house next door. So you see, it can also be like this. If you don't wear your helmet, you go straight to God. If you're drunk or you dope, you go down in life. Or this says go right if you're actually right in life. Multiple reasons. Bahubali. I bought this handlebar. The guy who fabricated it said that this looks like Bahubali's biceps, triceps, whatever you call it. But then you see similar technology, toilet roll has to be kept inside. Similar, it always gives you that comfort feel. But still, it makes your bike look like a fool after you put it. It gives that traditional Indian, what do you call it, Ranjit? Traditional Indian, essence to it, or heritage. This is a part of our heritage. You may not be able to do Vastra Haran with this, but then yes, with the handle free off the bike, you can possibly do Cheer Haran or Jeev Haran with this kind of handlebar. Why does the Royal Enfield need it? You need it because if your bike breaks down, there is only one thing that you can hold down and bang your head onto. Yeah, that's what it is made for. That's called, what is it? Bajrangbali?
Bahubali.
Oh, sorry,
One of my favorite.
Oh, that's his favorite. So we're planning to have this on his RX100. We tried doing that. The moment we tried to fit it on the teeth, the bike automatically started doing stoppie. And when we asked him to put it behind his bag and take it home, then the bike started doing wheelies. So we couldn't understand. We tried to put it on the right, the bike started leaning on the right. So it was always a right lean or a right corner that wanted it. So finally he's left it. So any which ways, it's a nice product. You can buy it. It is available at pop-up store. Just come in and ask him for Bajrangbali. It is?
It is Bahubali.
Oh, sorry,
Bahubali.
my bad. Yeah, it's called Bahubali, right?
Bahubali, yes.
You can come ask for Bahubali, and if you tell him that you're referred by Piston Hearted, you might possibly get some discount. The original cost is 3,000 bucks. You'll get it for some 2,450 bucks. Yeah, Prasad?
Missionary fans get 10% discount at pop-up shop.
And if you buy 4 of these, I will give you a Chavanprash to actually be like Bajrangbali. Bajrangbali, that is right?
That is Bahubali.
Okay. So that's about it. Well, we've got a lot of other things, but then you need to have big brains to understand it.
Today we are only talking about handlebars.
But you get an option to keep on changing the handlebar, the exhaust, the seat, the headlamps, the carriers, you name it and you can change it. It comes affordable. However, you cannot do that with a premium or an ultra premium or something from Mud Island. Sorry.
7 Islands.
7 Islands.
7 Islands.
Maybe the Triumph guys, unfortunately they cannot keep changing the handlebar unless they are some diamond merchant who don't pay tax, because of which be poor corporate employees who pay excessive tax. Just because we pay excessive tax today, we ride smaller bikes, but we still wish to continue to pay tax. But then yes, you should buy Royal Enfield is because you can buy such stuff. I'm so sorry, yeah. So these come cheap, and you can keep changing it. That's the beauty of having a Bullet. Thank you guys.
That's all for
Signing off,
today.
guys. Signing off. Bye. Please subscribe to GP's video.
Now it's time over. इतना ही पैसा मिला है मेरे को बोलने के लिए.
That was Mr. Joe about handlebars of Royal Enfield.
Bye bye guys. See you soon.
Signing off. Bye. Please.
What is that?
subscribe to Piston Hearted. That was Bahubali, not Bajrang Bali.
If you are around Ghatkopar and you know where Pop-Up Shop is, Pop-Up Shop has a lot of Piston Hearted stickers. Prasad, who is Pop-Up Shop's owner, and he'll give you one of these stickers.